Discover the innovative anti-snoring nose clip nasal breathing dilators, engineered to enhance your nightly rest and promote unobstructed airflow while you sleep. Unlike typical solutions, these dilators specifically targets issues like respiratory tract infections, alleviating symptoms associated with nose congestion, cough, and phlegm. Tailored for those who struggle with an itchy nose or seasonal allergies, these dilators provide a comfortable fit that encourages better breathing patterns. By using these dilators, you not only improve your sleep quality but also enhance overall wellness. Say goodbye to restless nights and hello to rejuvenating slumber. Join countless satisfied users who have experienced the transformative effects of clearer airways, leading to reduced snoring and improved health. With our anti-snoring nose clip, you can breathe easier and wake up feeling refreshed, ready to take on the day ahead with vitality and confidence. To use them effectively, start by cleaning your nose thoroughly to ensure maximum adhesion. Once cleaned, gently pat or allow your nose to dry completely. Carefully remove the backing from the dilators, then apply the tab on one side, pressing down firmly to secure it in place. Don't forget to repeat this process on the opposite side for optimal performance. After completing these steps, then enjoy the anti-snoring nose clip nasal breathing dilators for a restful night free from disturbances. Please like, share, subscribe and visit our website. Thanks for watching.